Hello everyone, my name is Nandini Katyal and I'm extremely happy to be sharing my MBA journey with all of you today. And just to give a brief introduction about myself, I'm a commerce graduate and I've pursued my undergraduation from Symbiosis Pune, where I completed my bachelor's in business administration in finance and marketing. And post that, I have worked with ICICI Bank for almost 2 years in their business banking department, where I was a relationship manager for small and medium enterprises. And post that, last year I decided to pursue my post-graduation as well, and that is when I decided to leave my job and fully dedicate my time to preparing for MBA entrances as well as interviews. And that's how I came across Sir's classes and joined his coaching for both quant as well as LRDI for all the entrances that I gave. So I gave a total of 4 entrances: CAT, ZAT, NMAT and STAMP, and studied under Sir for all of these exams. And finally, now that the result season is over and all the results have been declared, I am happy to share that I'll be joining IIM Kozhikode for my MBA this year. So to talk about my journey from the very beginning, तो लास्ट ईयर मैंने अप्रैल में डिसाइड किया था कि आई वांट टू लीव माय जॉब एंड मुझे फुल्ली प्रिपेयर करना है फॉर MBA एंट्रेंसेस. एंड मेरी एक कोलीग अनुष्का who had just got an admission at IIM Lucknow, she told me कि मैंने quant and LRDI की कोचिंग ऋषि सर से ली थी and she was very satisfied. And similarly मैंने अपने कुछ और peers से भी सर के बारे में positive reviews सुने थे because they had studied under him at time Jhandewalan. And that's how I decided to approach Sir. And while many of us may know Sir by the name of Abhimanyu, especially because he also teaches GMAT students, and GMAT के circles में a lot of people know him by the name of Abhimanyu, but all of us in his CAT coaching, we generally refer to him as Rishi Sir. So as someone who had not touched a book in 2 years of corporate life, I was very clear that I needed a coaching and a mentor who would help me build my basics first. And when I had approached Sir, मेरे को कुछ idea नहीं था about the exam pattern or the kind of syllabus that was covered. And मेरा first attempt था, तो like I said, I had to start from the very basic and from the scratch. And I feel that Sir's mentorship and guidance really helped me to build confidence early on in my preparation, because उनकी classes शुरू से ही बहुत detailed थी and basics को thoroughly cover करती थी, and every concept that he taught us, he covered it in a very unique and engaging manner. तो classes में मन भी लगा रहता था. And even beyond the classes, मेरे को किसी भी टाइप का डाउट होता था, Sir was always available to solve it over a phone call personally. तो कभी भी ऐसे बैरियर नहीं फील हुआ कि वी आर ओनली स्टडिंग ऑनलाइन तो डाउट सॉल्व नहीं हो सकते या कुछ. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट गेव मी कॉन्फिडेंस इन माई चॉइस ऑफ कोचिंग क्लासेज एज वेल, बिकॉज मैंने अपने बाकी पेयर्स से सुना था हु हैड टेकन कोचिंग फ्रॉम वेरी वेल नोन इंस्टीट्यूट्स लाइक रोधा एंड एलीट्स ग्रेड ऑल्सो, but they were still not satisfied. And even though initially I was also very demotivated and not satisfied with my preparation, because I used to score really low in the mocks during the beginning months, but eventually with practice and a lot of daily revision that Sir recommended to us, I was able to notice a gradual improvement in my mock scores. And coming to Sir's classes, I think the सबसे बड़ा benefit that all of us had was that he kept the batch size very limited, and that allowed us to access the personalized guidance which we would not have been able to access had we joined any other well-known coaching class, because generally हर coaching class का batch size बहुत large होता है, जिस वजह से guidance नहीं मिल पाती individually students को. Moreover, Sir का एक special emphasis हमारी attempt strategy पे भी होता था, और जो day 1 से होता था. He focused on both concept building as well as our attempt strategy, and that is why he used to self-design his own mocks, which we used to call as mini cats. And mini cat session used to be very intense, but at the same time they were very, very helpful for improving in both quant as well as LRDI, because the kind of quality of practice that we got from those mocks as well as the range of questions that were covered were very, very helpful. And सर ने हमें उस टाइम पे ये भी सिखाया कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट करना चाहिए, कौन सा छोड़ना चाहिए, और जो अटैम्प्ट कर रहे हैं उसको किस ऑर्डर में अटैम्प्ट करना चाहिए, ताकि वी कैन यूज़ द लीस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम इन दैट 40 minutes that was given to each section. And he also taught us multiple ways to solve each particular question, and then he used to urge us कि तुम अपने हिसाब से चूज़ करो कि तुम्हें कौन सा बेस्ट मेथड लग रहा है टू सॉल्व इन द लीस्ट पॉसिबल वे, एंड सबसे ज़्यादा तुम्हें अर्ली स्ट्राइक कौन सा मेथड करेगा, जिस वजह से वी वर वेरी यूज टू द एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न एंड द काइंड ऑफ pressure that we would face on the actual exam day. So Minicats were a very helpful strategy for me for improvement, and likewise for my peers in the group as well. And with these kind of strategies and the guidance that sir gave me, eventually I was able to do like the best in my QA section. Like I scored the highest percentile in the QA section when it used to be the poorest section during the starting days of my preparation. So I was really happy with the result I got in all the management entrances. And apart from the classes, I would just like to say that other than being a very good teacher and mentor, sir was like a friend to us, because जब भी हमें डाउन फील होता था या डीमोटिवेटेड फील होता था, जब हमें लगता था कि हमारे मेहनत इतनी है बट रिज़ल्ट क्यों नहीं आ रहे, मॉक्स के स्कोर्स इतने लो क्यों आ रहे हैं, कुछ समझ नहीं आता था, बहुत डीमोटिवेट हो जाते थे प्रेप से, तो सर यूज्ड टू काउंसिल अस लाइक अ फ्रेंड. And for our comfort level, he also divided us into many peer groups, जहाँ पे we were groups of like 6-7 students who were under him only and studying in his coaching classes only, and we used to share our best methods with each other, and उससे we could adopt each other's methods, and with that peer support, being in that same boat, we could all push through each day, each stressful day, and each demotivating mock that we had taken. So that really helped me. And now that anyone who is preparing for MBA entrance examinations this year, I feel that sir's classes will really help you to learn in the best way possible, because like I said, other than concept building, he is focusing on your attempt strategy since day one, which is the pain point for a lot of aspirants, and it's especially important considering the kind of competitive pool of candidates that we have. Like CAT 23 had 3 lakh candidates, and it's only going to increase in the future. So it's very important that we learn the best methods to solve the paper, and I feel that we can get access to that through Rishi sir's classes. And lastly, I'm just very grateful to sir that I got a chance and opportunity to study under him, which has played such a huge role in my journey to my dreamed B school this year. So thank you so much, sir, and I would just like to wish everyone all the best for their future endeavors, and please feel free to reach out to me in case you need any guidance, and thank you so much for listening.